Monitoring system functions. Monitoring features. In this section, we introduce the overall framework of the monitoring system and take a look at its main features. First, through its flexible infrastructure management capability, the monitoring system can monitor the equipment and environment in real time. This ensures equipment reliability, protects equipment and environmental security, and can provide energy consumption analysis results to users. The second main feature, software and hardware hierarchical management, allows monitoring hardware, such as a collector, to collect and transfer all kinds of infrastructure data to monitoring software. Monitoring software can be divided into several different levels: a data acquisition layer, management layer, and service layer. Software and hardware layering clarify the whole monitoring logic. The third main feature is modular design. The monitoring system uses a functional modular method. Some functions are basic module functions, which are necessary configuration items, and other functions are advanced functions and optional modules, according to users' requirements. The next main feature is the standard network management interface. It can interact with third-party network management systems, allowing users to interact with the third-party network management system. In addition, the monitoring system has an integrated interface to meet diverse access requirements. Moreover, the collector can be installed in the cabinet to save space. Meanwhile, AI/DI expansion cards and serial expansion cards are supported. That's all for this section. Thank you.